What's the deal, YouTube? Now, y'all been asking how I maintain the moisture in my living soil, and I used to do it the old school way, lifting my pots up, sticking my fingers in the dirt, or using some cheap analog meter. But for me, that was just too much guessing. Now I got this AI soil moisture meter from AC Infinity. Let's just unbox it and get straight to it.
Yeah, it's THC rich, got the tips and the tricks. Plant game strong, watch the buds get thick. KC roots, yeah, I'm planting my claim. Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.
Precision detection, AI compatible, versatile build, and water resistant. First thing I noticed, everything's individually wrapped. Even the manual is in its own plastic package. The sensor itself feels solid, definitely not cheap. They even put a rubber guard over the probe so it doesn't get damaged during shipping. I'm gonna slide that off. Inside you get the fiberglass probe with the 12-foot cord, the detachable stem, and the top cap. But here's what y'all need to pay attention to. The manual has a clear warning: do not push the probe straight down into the dirt. You can damage, bend, or break the probe. So all you gotta do is dig a hole first, set the probe in, and then place the soil back around it. Just don't shove it in. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing put in some dirt. This is my brand new tent. It's an AC Infinity 4x8 tent. I don't even really have no big plants in here yet. So far, I put a 4x4 living soil bed in here. Got some cover crop going in there. And of course, I got an AC Infinity light above it. This is the AC Infinity Evo 10 light. And you know I'm loyal to the soil. So everything in here is BuildASoil 3.0. Y'all see the markings on this tube? They go all the way to 16 inches. I really like that because if you want to bury your meter deeper in your soil, all you got to do is screw this onto the top of the meter and bury it. And this is the type of meter I was using. It's an eco-wit meter, and there ain't nothing wrong with it. It worked great. My issue was it was just short, so I didn't really know what was going on deeper down in the soil. So now I'm just going to pair these two and use them both and get a more accurate reading of where my soil is at. But this AC Infinity probe is 16 inches long, so that's reading way deeper. All right, let's go ahead and put this thing in the soil. But you got to remember the rule: you don't want to shove it into the dirt, you don't want to break it. Now I'm just going to clear out a little area, dig a hole with my hand. Don't overcomplicate it. Once I think I got a good depth, I'll set the probe inside, take a look. It's sitting about 10 inches deep right now, and that's cool with me. Once you get your hole dug to the depth that you want, if you haven't already, make sure you take off this rubber guard. And after that, just use that soil you dug out earlier, lightly pack it around the probe. I'm gonna do my best to put my mulch layer back where it was, but I'm not super worried about it right now because I'm gonna do a chop and drop on this cover crop in a couple days anyways. Once you get that all put back in place, I just lightly pack it all back down, and that's it. This sensor was built specifically to connect to the AI controller, and it comes with a 12-foot cord right out of the probe itself. So I'm just gonna take that cord, run it through the little insert slot, get it plugged directly into my AI controller, and now we up and running. Y'all know I rock heavy with AC Infinity, and I've been using that gear well before I started this YouTube channel. But now, I finally am an AC Infinity affiliate, so if you use discount code THCRICHACI, you'll save an extra 10% off. It also supports the channel and helps me continue to do what I do. So they did send this moisture meter for me to try out, but not because they just wanted me to talk about it, because I told them I wanted to use it. So there it is, y'all. That's the AC Infinity soil moisture meter. Y'all got any questions or comments? Drop them down below. As always, y'all, until next time, smoke good, do better. Peace.